और चलिए अब आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं न्यूज 18 के खास कार्यक्रम शी शक्ति में.
Because he's a politician in its sense, he said that Remy, now since we know that we are all surrounding as the politics goes, and if you see me, like today somebody sees me that, madam, I have seen you in all the news coverage. Instead of being happy, you believe me, I get scared because I am depicted for all the wrong reasons. Of being a chief minister's wife, how can you become an entrepreneur? In one of the TV interviews, I told, like, मेरा husband तो women empowerment के लिए he is a champion of the cause. But जब wife करती है, मेरे को तो जूते का माला पहनना पड़ता है, तो वो भी हर एक size का. Name it, and I have all the sizes in my ये. And that is where the you can say it a beauty, you can say it a irony, you can say it a struggle.
Yes.
That is where it lies. That is what I want to say. Like, it's a moment where you cherish being his wife. Sometimes it's a rope that pulls you back, but that is the struggle and the celebration of being a celebrity's wife. That's what.
I would think that, I would say that he's a celebrity's husband, at least in Guwahati and Assam. Because you're quite a celebrity in your own right.
I am, thank you.
Of course, exactly. So this is the humility, right, that women deal with. We're always living with an imposter syndrome, that, right? We're always fighting that self-doubt. Sangeeta ji, what does power mean for you? You know, at the moment, like you said, that you are accessible, you want people to come and approach you, and the fact is also that people might approach you because they want to get something done. So, you know, where do you draw the line, and what does power signify for you?
Power to me is that license which, you know, gives you the authority, the right to be the change that you want to see in the society. Power should never be to impose power. It should always be to empower others. Or power, in my right, I have no power. I'm only talking about power as
So the
general.
session is Fabulous Lives of Powerful
No,
Wives,
but I
and she's
never.
saying she has no power.
No, I have no power, and I remain very humble as a LG's wife. लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ को बहुत मानती हूँ कि पावर का कभी नशा नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि नशा जिस चीज़ का भी हो बहुत जल्दी उतर जाता है. So a powerful person has to remain humble, approachable, polite, listen to people's voice. दुनिया में बहुत दुख दर्द है, अगर आप भी अपना पावर इम्पोज करने लगे कि तुम कुछ नहीं हो, मैं सब कुछ हूँ, मैं सब जानता हूँ, it doesn't work like that. So power has to be humbling. For me, that is power. You are powerful only when you're humble. If you're arrogant, you're not powerful. You're arrogant.
That's a wonderful, wonderful takeaway, really. Thank you for saying that. Riniki ji, in the power dynamics at home, both of you are very powerful personalities. How does that work out? Who calls the shots at home?
Okay. So it has gone. Basically, both of us, we are very strong-headed in the sense. So what we have a very lines defined that I will not enter your assembly, you don't enter my home.
Okay.
So, and it happened with a very interesting story. So Hemanta was a Vastu freak.
Okay.
And I don't believe in Vastu. I need a good house that needs to be very beautiful, and it has to have the aesthetics on the right sense. We had a dining table, so I have placed it very aesthetically in one club. In the morning I place it and go to the office, and evening again it turns around in a different place. Again the next day I come in the morning, again in the evening. We had a tussle for 1 month like that. And every day, Hemanta, he doesn't speak to me, neither I speak to him directly, but we turn the tables. And then after 1 month, we finally came to a conclusion it should be in the middle of the house. So, and both of us, neither of them eat in that dining table, but it is a vast. Then I told them, when you are in the political, so you have all good people coming home. They should have the aesthetics correct. So let me take care of the home front. I will give you a proper, beautiful set. You just come and flaunt it. You have done it. So that is what, and that is how we maintain. But actually, in this power dynamics, there are a lot of people who tries to ping you from the back. And that is where, if you don't have your head on your shoulder, so that is where the family start the breaking line starts. So in that way, we are very clear. So like if anything happens in the house, he will say, go and ask madam. If anything happens politically, I said, I'm the wrong person. We don't, that is how we are. And the best part of it is that if we meet too often, then the house will blast. so that is where we are like, okay.
I think that's wonderful advice. If you meet too often, the house will blast. So, all right, okay, very quickly, I'll say the following and you tell me what comes to your mind. I'll say Assam,
Beautiful green,
media,
but redefining
redefining,
the society.
Kaziranga,
One horn rhino,
Cotton College,
nostalgia.
Himanta Viswa Sarma.
Okay, I'm taking time to answer. I don't know. This is something I actually don't know. He's my husband. That's only that's fine.
Husband,
That's it.
power,
Influence, inspiration,
politics,
politics. Even that's like, and for me, like before marrying Himanta, quote unquote, I was to say it is the last resort of scoundrels. But now, for me, because when he was a lawyer at the time, but now for me, politics, if used in the right way, it adds a very beautiful and a defining meaning, not only to yourself, but to the society to whom you are contributing yourself your entire life.
okay. Business,
My blood.
ma'am, I'm going to ask you a few. I'll say a few words, and you tell me what comes to your mind. Yes, right here. Delhi,
Majestic city with monuments yet unexplored. There are so many of them. You need to visit all these places.
rains,
Beautiful if you are sipping a cup of adrak wali chai in your balcony, but very harassing if you are on the roads.
Donald Trump,
The topic of every dinner table conversation in every household today.
PM Modi,
Unmatched. The country is blessed to have him.
the loudest applause. Rahul Gandhi,
Unmatched again.
and Mr. Saxena.
Mr. Saxena again is a very difficult question, isn't it? In very simple words, he is a very simple man. थोड़ा सा लंबा आंसर दे दूं इस बात का?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल दीजिए.
लेकिन उनके अपने शब्दों में अगर मैं उनको डिस्क्राइब करूं तो उनकी जिंदगी का फलसफा 2-3 उनके पसंदीदा गजलों के शेर हैं जो वो कहते हैं, वो अपने लिए ही पढ़ते हैं और कहते हैं कि ये मुझे डिफाइन करते हैं. पहला वो अपने लिए ये कहते हैं कि जो डूबना है तो इतने सुकून से डूबो, जो डूबना है तो इतने सुकून से डूबो कि आसपास की लहरों को भी पता ना चले. इससे वो ये कहते हैं कि जो काम आपको करना है ना वो कर जाइए, ढोल बाजा तमाशा ना कीजिए. लेट योर वर्क स्पीक फॉर यू एंड डोंट कीप ब्लैबरिंग अबाउट योर वर्क. एक और शेर जो उनका बहुत पसंदीदा है वो है कि हम भी दरिया हैं, हमें अपना हुनर मालूम है, जिस तरफ भी चल पड़ेंगे रास्ता हो जाएगा.